Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast, and welcome to my channel, Easy English Learning. And today, we're going to talk about something that can truly open doors for you, learning English effectively. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves exploring languages, mastering English is a superpower in today's global world. Now, I know learning English can feel overwhelming at times. Grammar rules, vocabulary, pronunciation, it's a lot. But don't worry, today I'll share with you some practical tips and tricks that you can start using immediately to make learning English faster, easier, and more fun. Before we jump into the techniques, let's talk about mindset. This is the foundation. Set a clear goal. Ask yourself, why do I want to learn English? Is it for travel, work, exams, or just for fun? Having a goal keeps you motivated. Be patient with yourself. Learning a language is like planting a tree. It grows over time. Don't get frustrated if you don't see results immediately. Celebrate small wins. Did you understand a song without subtitles today? Did you speak with a friend in English? Celebrate it. Every little step counts. Now, let's talk about immersion. Immersing yourself in English is one of the fastest ways to improve. Watch movies and series in English. Start with subtitles if needed, then try without them. Notice the words, the expressions, the intonation. For example, watch Friends or The Big Bang Theory. They're great for everyday English. Listen to English songs and podcasts. Singing along or repeating phrases helps with pronunciation. Pick songs with clear lyrics. Change your device language. Phones, computers, social media. Change everything to English. It's like practicing every day without thinking about it. Read in English. Start small, short articles, blogs, or comic books. Highlight new words and try to use them in sentences. Immersion works because it makes English part of your daily life, not just something you study for an hour a day. Immersion is great, but active practice is what really builds your skills. Here's how. Speak every day, even if it's just to yourself. Describe your day out loud, narrate your thoughts, or repeat phrases from shows or podcasts. Write regularly. Keep a journal in English. Write about your day, your thoughts, or even fictional stories. Writing helps you remember vocabulary and improve grammar naturally. Try the shadowing technique. Listen to a sentence in English, pause, and repeat exactly as you heard it. Intonation, speed, everything. This trains both pronunciation and listening. Talk with native speakers online or in person. Apps like HelloTalk or Tandem can connect you with people learning your language who can help you with English. Remember, practice beats perfection. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak, write, and make mistakes. Mistakes are your stepping stones. One of the hardest parts is remembering words. Here are some tips. Use flashcards. Digital apps like Anki or Quizlet make reviewing words easy and fun. Learn words in context. Don't memorize words alone. Learn them in sentences. For example, instead of just amazing, learn the movie was amazing. Group words by theme, travel, work, emotions. Grouping makes recall faster. Use new words immediately. Say them, write them, even think them. The more you use a word, the more it sticks. Listening and pronunciation are often overlooked, but extremely important. Listen actively. Don't just play audio in the background. Try to catch phrases and repeat them. Record yourself, listen to your pronunciation, compare with native speakers, and improve gradually. Focus on stress and intonation. English is a musical language. Copy the rhythm and melody of sentences. It makes you sound natural. Let's not forget technology. There are amazing apps for English learners. Duolingo or Babbel for structured lessons. Grammarly for writing. LingQ or News and Levels for reading and listening. Use technology as your daily partner. It's like having a mini teacher in your pocket. No matter the method, consistency beats intensity. 20 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Make English a daily habit, like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. Small daily steps add up to big progress. So, to summarize, here's what we covered today. Build the right mindset. Immerse yourself in English. Practice actively, speaking, writing, shadowing. Build vocabulary effectively. Improve listening, and pronunciation. Use technology wisely. Stay consistent. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring. Topic 2. I want to talk about English for education, why it matters, how it shapes our future, and how you can learn it step by step, even if you feel your English is not good right now. Let me start with something honest. Many people think English is only for smart students, rich people, or those who want to go abroad. But that is not true. English is not about who you are. It is about what you want to become. English is the language of education around the world. Most textbooks, research papers, online courses, and academic videos are written or spoken in English. When you understand English, you don't need to wait for someone to translate knowledge for you. You can learn directly from the source. Think about this. If you rely only on your local language, your learning world is small. But when you know English, your classroom becomes the whole world. You can learn from teachers in the USA, the UK, Australia, India, or anywhere without leaving your home. For students, English is a powerful tool. Many scholarships, international programs, and online certifications require English. Even local universities often use English materials. When you improve your English, you are not just learning a language, you are increasing your academic opportunities. But English for education is not only for students. Teachers, workers, and self-learners also need English. If you are a teacher, English helps you update your knowledge. If you are working, English helps you understand manuals, trainings, and professional documents. If you are a lifelong learner, English opens unlimited doors. Now, let me talk about a common fear. Many people say, "My English is bad. I'm scared to speak." This fear is normal. Everyone feels this way at the beginning. The problem is not that you make mistakes. The problem is not trying at all. Education is not about being perfect. Education is about progress. When you learn English for education, your goal is not to sound like a native speaker. Your goal is to understand and communicate ideas clearly. You don't need complicated English. Simple English is powerful. Clear English is powerful. Even basic English can help you understand lessons, read articles, and follow lectures. Let me tell you something important. English is a skill, not a talent. No one is born speaking English. People who speak English well are not lucky. They practiced more. Learning English for education starts with habits. Small habits every day. 10 minutes of reading. 10 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of speaking to yourself. Yes, speaking to yourself is okay. You can explain a lesson in English, summarize a video, or talk about what you learned today. This trains your brain to think in English. Listening is also very important. Listen to educational podcasts, documentaries, or YouTube channels in English. At first, you may not understand everything, and that is okay. Your brain is learning, even when you feel confused. Reading helps you grow faster. Start with short articles, simple stories, or educational posts. Don't stop every time you see a new word. Try to understand the meaning from context. This is how real learning happens. Writing is another key part of education. Write short notes in English. Write summaries of what you study. Even one paragraph a day can improve your academic English. Let me talk about confidence. Confidence in English comes from action, not from waiting. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Start now. Learn while making mistakes. Remember this. Mistakes mean you are learning. Silence means you are not. English for education also helps you think differently. When you learn in English, you learn new perspectives, new ideas, and new ways of solving problems. This improves critical thinking, not just language ability. In today's world, education is digital. Online courses, ebooks, research papers, and virtual classrooms are everywhere. English is the main language used in these spaces. Without English, you are locked out of many learning opportunities. But with English, you are free. Free to choose what to learn. Free to improve your skills. Free to build a better future. I want you to remember this. English is not just a school subject. English is a bridge between you and knowledge. No matter your age, your background, or your level, you can start learning English today, step by step, day by day. Education changes lives. English makes education bigger, deeper, and more powerful. Thank you for listening to this episode. Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in your progress. See you in the next podcast.